We're in Paris. You can already eat if you want. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Hey, here we are. Look at it.
In Paris. Woo!
I think it's prettier without these things.
Yeah, it's way prettier.
Yeah. But look at all the people around there. It's crazy.
You're such a natural vlogger also.
Thank you.
Is that a compliment?
Used to this.
Josefine, Josefine, Josefine.
Hi. Are you vlogging?
Yeah. We just had dinner.
Yeah, we just had dinner. It was good.
Good morning.
Good morning. My voice is almost gone.
We're having breakfast. Yes. Woo!
Yesterday was great.
Yeah, what did we do?
We went to Massimo's place, which had high security to get in. Yeah, we had dinner and then we went to a bar and then a nightclub. And the nightclub was weird.
It was very weird. Yeah.
It was like not
the best. But not the worst, not the worst.
Yeah, it was okay.
Yeah.
We had lots of fun anyway.
And now it's raining.
Yeah, a lot. But tomorrow is gonna be full of sun. So looking forward to that.
Yeah. So let's enjoy. Woo.
Okay. So
Hello. Hello. Day 3 in Paris.
The last day.
Yeah, it's
but
the last
sun
day.
is shining.
Oh, you can't see that now, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's been great so far. And
Like this great.
yeah, amazing. And then now we're going to the Louvre just to see the Mona Lisa.
Yesterday we said 1.5 hours, but it was an hour.
Yeah, 1.5, and it was cold.
Yeah, it was cool, but it was amazing.
It was very beautiful. It was very beautiful, and then see you. Your hair is like golden now. Yeah.
I get goosebumps.
Oh. This is too cringy. Wait.